Say something, eh? How you feeling?
Man, getting this bird out of Stanley's house. Pain. There's not even a bird there. Why are we doing this, Stanley? Yeah, so status, we got like 3 bird nests, and we're trying to clear this out right now.
Where's that?
If you look over there, it's like a little crack. I don't know if you can see it. It's behind that white sack of styrofoam or something. Yeah, I tried to poke it out with this long little rod here. Beautiful, ain't it? And I poked it, and I don't see anything there. But we can't let the bird live here any longer. We gotta kick it out. So let me poke it out. Make sure there's nothing there. Yep, it's clear. Stanley's getting a flashlight for us to make sure, nothing else behind that little crack. So, until we get that, hopefully we'll be fine. It's a dangerous mission. We must be careful. One drastic mistake, and the bird kills us all. Don't do this at home, folks. It's very dangerous.
Why don't you wait until Stan comes back and do it?
Stanley, you better. What? Oh, God.
Hey,
Oh!
I got it.
Oh, this is a practice. Not serious.
Alright.
Not screaming like a little
here comes Stan, here comes Stan.
Got it. Wait, what are you doing? You recording this?
Yeah.
The flashlight warrior in training. Let's go.
Yeah, we're just talking to him about
Here we go.
bird nest, so no introductions needed.
Ready?
What are we doing?
We're doing that. I said I got flashlight. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
There you go.
There's a lot of spider webs up here. So watch your face. You don't want to get spider webs in your face.
Alright.
That's not good.
Are you gonna film it, Stan?
What?
Are you gonna film it?
I can't do this.
Do it. Get your phone. You need a bad camera, a young camera, suck ass.
Is that down here? Oh, is that 3G?
S.
Yes, yeah, same thing.
No, Stanley knew a camera.
Here we go.
Different point of view, guys.
Hood's on, because where my poop on your hair, it's not good. So, okay, so we got Stanley recording now. We're gonna, please pass me that flashlight, please. Oh, okay, you're gonna be a flashlight and the camera, okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, do it.
Let's go, ready? Let's go.
Okay.
2 cameras.
Look at this, okay.
What is that?
What is that? I don't know. That bird or the bird, the bird. I think it's that bird.
Is that bird?
No, it's no bird.
What's that thing? What's that head? What's that thing right there?
Hello? Hey, come out. You do not live here. It's not your house. Get out. Get out house now.
No, hold the thing on top. What's the top thing? That's that. You see the top thing? It looks like a bird. That's it right there.
Come out. Oh, there's a hole. We have found the flex point the bird used to get inside Stanley's house.
No, what's that thing? What's that thing up there? You see it?
What thing?
Just stop, dude, hey, stop telling the game word. That thing.
This?
Yeah, no, down, left. Yeah, look at my angle. What's that thing?
What?
That thing right there. Dude, it's freaking tired. On the right. Keep going straight.
I don't see anything.
Alright, this game. Let me stop recording for a second. Dude, this is hard work.
You're right,
Hole
Stan.
here, though.
No, not that hole. No, not down, there. See that thing right there? No, that thing.
Is that thing?
Looks like a bird. No, above the metal. Right there.
Right here?
There. Touch it down. No, a little bit. Right there. No. Right.
This is metal.
On the right. That's metal too?
Oh, it's metal. Come on here, Stanley. Please. Yeah.
Get up close and personal, Stanley.
Ow, my knee hurt. Help.
No. That's metal.
I told you. I see better than Stanley. I told you. There's no bird here. That bird.
That bird.
I see it. Okay, go up. Move your head up. What? Move your body up. Right there, see it? No, yes, get up. Okay. No, yeah, stand out a little.
I don't know what that is. Could be a wing. I don't know.
You see it? You guys stand out a little bit. You see it? Right there, boys. Sweet spot. Dig that knee hole.
There's no wall.
What?
Yep. Jam it in there.
Okay, no, let's do it.
I'm making you get tired. I'm a fat. I'm a seat.
Exactly. Move down. Move those crap thing down. Yeah, push down. Shit, that can't be blocking.
Put it down. Wall.
That's good. Let's go for that. Let's go for the breach.
It's clear, so we can go. Okay.
Retreat.
We must take our weapon back and oh man, my butt very hurt. Go.
And see.
We still
Don't do
recording?
this at home, it hurt really bad.
Alright, here we go. This is the intense one. Those two. Pick one.
So I thought yes, it's clear and
Watch out. No.
what is that?
Go the way. Go top there, yeah. You gotta watch out.
Sorry, Stanley. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, my back hurt really bad now.
Yeah. Sorry about that. That's the hardest one. Now, let's
This
choose
is
one.
my job, Stanley. It's okay.
Alright.
Your
so recording
job.
this? How much minutes is this?
What? 6, 7 minutes almost?
Okay, which one? Let's go for that one.
Oh,
Let's go for that one. No, that one's a threat. There's 3 guys in there.
oh, I see. Big.
Okay, poke the white stuff, the white paper in. Don't try to breeze through the net. So what are you doing? You're patching the paper up. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
EMT skill, right? Patch the skin back to the skin. Yeah, there. Oh shit. Shit. See me okay? Poke harder. Yeah. Thrust up. Thrust the woman. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
No.
Good
You
idea.
see it bird up there? Poke that
If
side.
there
Poke
if
that.
there was a bird up there, I think it would be flying around, Stanley.
Put that side.
Damn.
Put that side. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's good. It's good.
See nothing
Now
there.
poke that one there. Poke right above the wire. Where I'm pointing. Now down. Right there. Sweet spot. There. Thrust it. That's not bad. It's good. Now thrust that back. We'll try to make that straight again. Yeah, there we go. What kind of patched up the skin? EMT skill.
Look at all that stuff. Come on.
You're playing a Wii game. Patch.
Operation Patch Stanley.
Okay, I hear some metal there.
It's a light, buddy.
Oh no, that's fireworks. Alright, we're done here. Good.
Alright, that's clear.
Let's go for this one.
Number 3, butt nest.
Oh,
Watch out.
shit.
Bird shit juice.
That day you need to sanitize. Remember to sanitize your tools after using them for
Here we go.
operation like this.
Now start patches up. First poke it for patch it up and this down, poke it. Here you go. This is kinda hard to get. Oh shit.
Oh, you hear that? Oh, God. Oh,
Oh!
we had misfire. I did not mean to poke a hole.
You hit the wrong woman. Here, try, just patch it up now. You can get a little closer, just watch out the weed.
The weed.
There you go. Stick it up. Oh shit. Damn.
Whoa.
Oh, it's sticking out now. That looks ugly.
Now it looks like someone's bleeding. EMT.
I think that's cotton.
It's dead chicken. Look like dead. Look. This looks like a leg right here.
Is it a longer one?
And then
I
meat
think
right
it's
there.
longest. Try patch it
I
up.
can't do
Zoom
it.
closer.
Damn it.
What?
Use them?
No, mine can't zoom. Yeah, mine's same thing. Come on, press the skin. Alright, that's good. Crap.
That's not
You
good.
made
at
it
all.
worse. You made it worse, buddy. Come on. Oh shit, that's fine.
Okay,
hell?
we
Is
get
it-
more blood nests. Blood. Okay.
Oh, is that good?